guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And in today's video we're going to discuss the Bitcoin price action, where we are about to be breaking out here of this very important significant Bitcoin pattern here. So if this sounds interesting for you, don't forget to right away smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell notifications so you're not going to miss out on any of our time related updates that we are going to be bringing out to the channel. And with that having being said, guys, let's dive right away in towards the content. So it looks to be that Bitcoin on the imminent short term is right now creating a new consolidation pattern here. You can clearly see upward sloping support line getting generated. What is of course supporting is very significantly, like you can see here, clear touch points getting formed on the lower side, as well top side 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections, and so far this looks to be of course forming the new next big pattern for Bitcoin. So what I will be aiming for here is, as soon as this pattern is going to creep in towards the apex here, we're going to be looking out for a very significant breakout here. And of course, if we're going to be aiming for a breakout on this pattern here, we could be for sure well aim for a 4.6% move here, either towards the upside or downside. As soon as Bitcoin does break out of this pattern here, we are going to see the 70k today here, because the price target of this pattern is going to be exactly the 70k here for Bitcoin. So of course, depending on where we're going to break out towards, we could be seeing of course this very significant move here. If we're going to break down here of this pattern, yeah, we could be well anticipate Bitcoin going back all the way down towards the 63,000 US dollars, what comes together basically with this very strong horizontal support box over here. So yeah, a breakdown will be bearish, of course, is as soon as we're going to fail to hold on towards the support line, it's going to be bearish for Bitcoin, so we're going to aim for lower targets, and as soon as we're breaking the top side of resistance, we're going to aim for higher targets for Bitcoin. And of course, this will be once again be a very strong trading opportunity that you can be taking here once again on the channel. Of course, if you do want to be trading the market, don't forget to right away sign up here with BuyBIT here in the link description, because BuyBIT will be allowing you to open this significant trade here on Bitcoin. Of course, don't forget to sign up with the link description, because if we are going to do so, you will be as well get a 3,500 US dollars deposit bonus here on BuyBIT. So that is going to be definitely very valuable to check that one out right now here. So if we're going to look at very quickly to the momentum on Bitcoin, there's definitely nothing very significant playing out right now, unless we're right now seeing some hidden bullish divergence getting formed here. So what you can see here, this low that we decorate on the market over here, we're right now forming a significant higher low, like you can see in the market. And while we're forming this low in the market, higher low in the market, we can clearly see the RSI is forming lower lows. So RSI forming lower lows, price action forming higher lows, resulting in, of course, a hidden bullish divergence getting formed in the market. And a hidden bullish divergence is, of course, a typical bullish bias signal that we are currently getting in the market. So yeah, we could be for sure well anticipate that the market is going to be ever so slightly bouncing from up this range right here. So yeah, please do anticipate that here as well. If we're going to quickly look into the 4-hour candles, you can see right now Bitcoin as well is moving up very significantly as well. What we're seeing currently on this market is that Bitcoin is once again forming a higher low here. Like you can see over here, Bitcoin is forming a higher low on the market. And while we're forming this higher low, we're forming a lower low on the RSI. So as well, we're not only forming a hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour, but as well on the 4-hour time frame right now on Bitcoin. As well, if we're purely going to not look at the momentum, that if we are purely going to look at, of course, what the horizontal time frame is telling us, you can see here 4-hour time frame on the horizontal chart, you can clearly see previous resistance, right now getting retest as support. Personally, I do see this as textbook analysis, and the textbook bounce will be here very likely from off this point here. So personally, I do expect a bounce from off this range here. So let's see on how this is going to be unfolding further on from off this point here as well. Daily time frame, if we're going to look to our pattern, you can clearly see Bitcoin still has some more room to grow towards the upside. Price target is still laying around the 73k here for the breakout of this symmetrical triangle. So please do anticipate that Bitcoin could be for sure well in beef for further continuation up here. If we do analyze the momentum of Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we saw this bearish divergence playing out here on the daily time frame. This right now is cooling off ever so slightly. But personally, I do think since seeing the other time frames that Bitcoin could be seeing a very significant bounce here on today's candles, and that Bitcoin could be maybe visit the levels around 70k today here, and we could be seeing some kind of a structure like this getting unfolded. So yeah, Bitcoin is looking particularly strong right now here. The chances on the breakout towards the upside are way higher right now than a chance of a breakdown on this point. So please do anticipate that as well here. And of course, if you think this content is valuable, don't forget to smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel. And this was already it for today's video. Don't forget to as well follow me on Twitter at @RoverCRC, because over here I will be posting as soon as we're going to get a breakout or whatsoever. But with that having being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.